in the Milky Way by Tanya Shatseva, special treatment. For version 1, we start with electric diamonds sprinkled in the black background. So this kind of gives it an extra starry effect. And then for version 2, we've got party crystals that we've sprinkled on the different areas in the canvas that match the beads. So for party crystals, you get different kinds of crystals, such as the pink quartz as well as the titanium. There's desert crystals. There's different colored crystals, so you can choose to match them on the canvas, or even if it doesn't match on the canvas, it will give it a galaxy effect. And then for version 3, we've got blue fireflies that we have sprinkled on her blue hair on this section. And then we've filled in this planet that she is about to swallow with the blue fireflies, which will glow in the dark. And then for this planet over here, we've placed some Auburn crystals. So once again, for Tanya Shatseva's black hole in the Milky Way, we've got electric diamonds, party crystals, blue fireflies, and Auburn crystals.